Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosini Philenya Wangakhulu, guys, for coming. Thank you so much, you guys. So kune video like lana engifuna ukuthi siyimameleke. That was an Instagram live ya DJ Maphorisa as nginga upload enye video khumbula, just in case awukayibuka ungahambe uyibuka. Kune drama between DJ Maphorisa ke nama fans waka something Soweto kumayelana neculo ke abalenza bonke mhlawumbe, and then kuthiwa ku something Soweto ngathi abamcreditanga kulelo culo blah blah blah, and then ama fans waka something Soweto bathi ku DJ Maphorisa wena vele kuthi uyi gatekeeper njalo nje kuza kanjani ukuthi something Soweto une voice yakhe kuleli culo, kodwa ke akekho yena kunagama lakhe kunalutho laka nimcreditanga next kuza kanjani into kanjalo guys, kuthi isuke lapho. Kodwa ngiye ngasho guys on my last video ngathi please when it comes to music industry ukuthi basebenza kanjani babelana kanjani masebesebenzile, mina angina clue. Okay, mina ngimayelana nestory estrendayo ke yilo lolo daba ke lokuthi kunomsindonyana lapho ke kuthiwa ke something Soweto akazange accreditwa when it comes to lelo culo ke lelo guys, the particular one, the one in question DJ Maphorisa manje kule live Instagram live bechaza ke ukuthi benza kanjani basebenze kanjani kuza kanjani ku something Soweto angacreditwa, ngichaza ukuthi umuntu onzima ukusebenza naye into ekanjalo. Awungazwa ngami ngoba mina angina clue, angithi when it comes to music ngicela sihambe soyimamela le Instagram live just in case awabonanga ke lawa ama clips ngwahlanganisile emathathu ngadobha nami laphana sambe siwamamela siza ukuthi uchaze thini uPhoriphori.
It was recorded in my house. He owns the whole master. He owns the whole master of Spitipiti. We recorded this guy on Tlumyaka, right? Mass Music was the guy who was recording that young man Bafit Kalkopa Bafit. Kupola, if you go cancel a moto, you cancel na. Now bounce back Bafit go woo and nag stronger tap. Mara Mass Music, I say you got he tried his level best to drop the song. And the young man he's been frustrated because of something Soweto. He doesn't know how to handle his business. Problem with something Soweto. Something Soweto is a thrill, same WhatsApp group. You understand? Banal problem that can't handle business properly. You understand? Something Soweto will be far by now. You understand? Like, I'm a big fan of something Soweto. I respect his craft. More than anything, karata, music, but his attitude, I sharp sometimes because he doesn't know how to handle business. Business, we're talking about business. You understand? You can't come to someone's space, wakra beat ilready, wakra hunalidi huku, wakra hunalidi something, then now you wanna sabotage that song. You understand? You already ukrele pina ela. Moke bolela need. You understand? Ukrele pina ela hawa tsetsa operile. Tseli lang na ni na. You understand? So now ukrele pina. Then now he wants to bully Mess. In this situation, he wants to bully him. You understand? And fuck up the young boy. The young boy mfethu ubethile top now what trend ngikubulele na kufunu ukumpetong ayitsura iri. We understand because of this whole situation. We understand. So the best way is either we take down the song. You're gonna listen to the song on YouTube, and then accept the whole pina whatever really maripalan. We understand. Or we come up on a good agreement. You understand? Spitipiti, the whole album was recorded in my house. The whole Spitipiti album. Aglaleki was not something Soweto song. You understand? Aglaleki was Shasha's song. I decided cause urufile mantombozana. Like guys, I want you guys to be. I know I'm a controversial person. A lot of people don't like me, don't like my success, don't like how I've achieved everything and stuff and how I handle shit, right? But now, Arabulilin, right? This guy, he was coming to my house every day, recording Spitipiti album. We did the whole album. Lena, Kabza the Small, we've been supporting, never supported this guy. Well, I understand. Mass Music was the guy who was doing engineering, was there. When he something Soweto is a perfectionist. Well, I understand. When it comes to vocalist, he can record one take. He can record 100 times, just one take, just to make sure that it's perfect, right? I respect this craft. With something Soweto with this craft, bro, like I respect that nigga. You know what I'm saying? He's the guy. You understand? But the attitude will never take you anywhere. Attitude can fuck up you. Attitude can fuck up your business. Attitude can fuck up relationships. You understand? Why we don't have relationship with him is because of attitude and not meeting standard. You can't want to take everything. You can't just want to eat everything, want to take everything. No, we have to share. We have a problem of sharing things. He wants to take everything. He wants to own the masters. He wants to own the masters, just pity. And he wants to own the master. That's our dispute. He can't take everything, Bafetu. Awukhona hali. Kimufile akulaleki. Angasini ukuthi amantombazana futhi amathe akulaleki. Asayetsang. Uyile verse fela. Ayirasilo kwa akulaleki. Akulaleki kipina ya shasha. Kamufayona kartwara, cause knowing me, cause me I'm a businessman. I know, I can see, and then I make more sense of it. Or energy pop, yeah, only people, only energy pop. So what happened? What happened? Who are hitting? Heke bona mantombozana itrenda, toya haya kudim, abeta topo. Cause kimutua hype, urata hype, imetisa topo to. Sanyogo release, sanyogo rang. Kirimuna, mantombozana just released a month ago. When onyogo dropper, cause don't you yemele pina at least the milk from Amantombozana, remilk from Amantombozana. Right? Fuck you, man. Tusisa guru tusisa mo no bala ke tlala yiso sokola yiso utla daso ra utusa na le kapsa mfethu. You were coming every day Ralph space. You were coming every day into the house. Every day. Kwena daso wa record amela rufile space saw. Wa ira album. Tsamutlo lang spiti limputso Emuna, wena muna, masepa mutu wena man. Nkwatisa wena pile. Cause kindness ya rona, like us being good to you, you take advantage of that. Or not. Wena. Man. Nangle na something so wetu alona nangle. If you learn Oriena, unalipile sharp. Cause unalipile must say, okay, how do you mfana hold him down, dog. Like mass music hold this nigga down. Like down, like as it says a G. And on so. Now we have to look back as if Rona we discredited you there. Obviously, repost still alive, we went live, we saw why he's but obviously we can't do anything because of you fighting us. You don't want the song to be out. So we have to take you out on the song so that the song can be out and then we'll take it from there. Fuck the song, actually no go rain tsagausane pinela. Rain sa pinela le tla utlola go YouTube. Because of really I ain't a blessing. Like Pinela it doesn't have blessing at all. It's fucked already. When my boys move, lisamfonela man. How? When I get the mates, you saw I've saved this culture, my bra. I fucking saved this culture. Linogorin, cause I've saved this culture. Then I look up Zaona, Tabakabza, come call like this thing. Yeah? Lena no game yo otle e o re bebiana la itse re ile ke mang I fucking saved this culture of South African music. South African SA is driven by this motherfucker. I've saved a lot of things. I've crawled for you guys. This is what I'm man. Let's not nyela, man. Do you know what I've did for this country? Do you fucking know what I did for this country? Like he's in Turkey for a country. You help people about betray. Everyone around me, all the motherfuckers, but nobody about to sting, but betray, okay. But I'm still here, I'm still standing, I'm still strong. le sa nyela le sa tlo nyela le sa nyela ke mthusitse sinaisela bana ke mo something so ke mthusitse da man ase nna ke rileng gore a sa itse gore ana business. It's not me. Ase nna ke itse gore he can't keep relationships. Hana the relationship. You can't keep relationship. If you don't have relationship, there's no network, no net worth. Awuna silo, awutlhakani silo. Longa ba blind wa irang. And then when the idea is out there, it's out there. Someone is going to take it and is going to do it better than you. Sakwata. If nagira beat no mutu wan kopisa, o sakwata. That's how the universe works. Ashulem do TRP mola bam kapile. Asakwata horiena. He sent the idea out there to everyone. So bam kapa. Asakwata. That's how it is. That's how I learned the game. Kitene ka ukapa babang lena no bang kapa. Akikwati. I just give all strength. Oh. Kutsuru wave. Le tlwela batho man. Lena le jealous. Some motho le na le jealous. Ale no go bona motho ale go dimo kwa le no go bona motho ale in between. Every time haya kwa fela le ba threatened. Jealousy. Onka jealousy tsa motho o thusang. Akizi la na ke tlhaloganyo le hola byang.